Hello. I got some gas. My parents came to help. We're building a compost and then finish up the garden. The setup for the compost. I take one mzuri. I think. What?
Mommy.
Carry you. You want me carry you? So when Dre had cut the grass, he had put some in the bucket in the trash bin. We'll use some of that for the compost because it has been decomposting. Because we need a lot of soil for over here. Let me show you. Here's just pretty much a lot of sand, and it doesn't have any nutrients, so we need to put something. Like I said before, this grass will be utilized and used for something else. We had actually used it too for our grass to cover up the little soft spots. The spots that's, yeah. And then now, of course, the compost. I'm getting the pros involved. The pros. So hopefully I can soon be a pro myself. Dre thought he could be able to throw it in here and they'll pick up the trash, but they did not want to pick it up. Ooh. So this is what's gonna turn into compost. I like the aspect of not having to feel like I'm gonna be wasteful anymore, because there's a tendency where, you end up having some spoiled food, something spoiled, and you just end up throwing it in the trash and you just feel so wasteful. So, let me put this here. So wasteful. And I do not want to feel like that anymore. At least now we have a compost and somewhere to put things. If anything is old, decomposing, or anything in that manner. I'm trying to change my shoes so I can go back out because them gum boots were too hot. My feet were sweating.
I'm sweating too.
You are sweating too?
I need to wear this.
Hmm?
I need to wear this.
I'll just wear my slippers that I had before.
I'm going to wear this.
Okay, then change your shoes, baby.
Yeah, I need to change my clothes.
Here, let me look at it.
See, I found it.
Bye.
Something in there. This.
I'm just excited to soon enough just see everything grow. Come on. These are support beams for when the wind comes. Oh, don't move. There you go. You can move now. My earring got in Mombi's hair.